Understanding, have a good trip, a friendly phrase in English. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a very common and friendly phrase in English, have a good trip. Whether you're an English language learner or just curious about the nuances of this phrase, you're in the right place. We'll break down its meaning, usage, and even look at some variations. So, let's dive in. Have a good trip is a phrase used to wish someone a pleasant and enjoyable journey. It's commonly said to someone who is about to travel, whether they're going on a holiday, a business trip, or any form of travel. The key here is that it's a well-wishing phrase, showing care and positive intentions for the person's travel experience. This phrase is best used when you know someone is leaving for a trip. You can say it just as they are about to depart or when you're saying goodbye. It's a casual yet warm phrase, suitable for both close relationships and polite acquaintances. A good tip is to use a friendly tone and a smile when saying it, as it enhances the sincerity of the wish. There are several variations of have a good trip that you can use. Each carries a similar meaning but might be more appropriate in different contexts. For example, 1. Safe travels, often used to emphasize safety during the journey. 2. Bon voyage, a French term widely used in English, carrying a chic and slightly more formal tone. 3. Have a great journey, similar to have a good trip, but with a slightly more enthusiastic tone. While have a good trip is universally positive, it's good to be aware of cultural sensitivities. In some cultures, discussing the prospects of a journey too positively might be seen as tempting fate. In such cases, it's good to be more subdued in your well wishes or follow the local customs of farewelling someone. Have a good trip is a lovely, friendly phrase to wish someone well on their journey. It's simple, yet effective in conveying your good wishes. We hope this video helps you use this phrase confidently and appropriately in your conversations. Safe travels in your English language journey. And don't forget to smile when you say, have a good trip. See you in our next video.